In this video, I'll show you how to change hours in Calendly. So open up your Calendly. I'm going to type in Calendly. So what you need to do, select the meeting, click on edit meeting type, click on more option. Okay, go back, click on availability, click on date range. So you can see it's currently 4 hours notice. So if you love to change the hours, come on here. It can be 14, it can be 12, it can be 7. So go back. You can also come on here and review and change your working hours. You can change from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can start from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can change from 11 p.m. to 10 p.m. So select anyone that is best due for you. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.